Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm going to show you how to adding background to your video in the CapCut apps. So for example, I'm going to add the green screen video. So to add background for this video, for this kind of the video, I'm going to select the chroma key. So just click on the clip and then select cutout, select chroma key and select green color just for intensity, and then shadow and just click check mark. So I'm going to add the background. Just click add icon and select a photo that you want to add as in the background. So for the video you are just going to make as an overlay. So just select overlay, click the clip and select overlay. Alright, so you can adjust for the duration of the clip. So you can also change for the scale and the position, just like that. So that's how you can adding background to your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.